Ever looked at your bank statement and thought, where did all my money go? Today, we're diving into 12 genius, not so common tips that will help you slash those living expenses and master the art of frugal living. 1. House hack with a twist. We've all heard of getting roommates, but have you considered renting out storage space or your garage? People pay good money to store their stuff, and your unused space could be their next storage unit. 2. DIY cleaning supplies. Why buy when you can DIY? Mix equal parts of vinegar and water, and you've got yourself an all-purpose cleaner. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also eco-friendly. 3. Barter System. Remember the good old days when people exchanged services? Offer to mow your neighbor's lawn in exchange for them fixing that leaky faucet. It's a win-win. 4. Go green. Invest in energy-efficient appliances. They might cost a bit up front, but the savings on your utility bills will be worth it. Plus, Mother Earth will thank you. 5. Bulk buy, but wisely. Those 10 cans of tuna might be on sale, but will you eat them before they expire? Buy in bulk, but only the things you know you'll use. 6. Free entertainment. Local libraries aren't just for books. Many offer free classes, movie nights, and even tool rentals. Check out your local library's event calendar. 7. The 30-day rule. See something you want to buy? Wait 30 days. If you still want it after a month, go for it. More often than not, the urge will pass. 8. Learn basic sewing. Instead of tossing that shirt with a missing button, sew it back on. A little thread and needle can save you a lot in the long run. 9. Meatless Mondays. Meat can be pricey. Try going vegetarian one day a week. Your wallet and maybe your waistline will thank you. 10. Public transport perks. If it's feasible, ditch the car a few days a week and hop on public transport. You'll save on gas, parking, and maintenance. 11. Unplug. Are those chargers plugged in 24/7? They're using energy. Make it a habit to unplug electronics when they're not in use. 12. Water-saving hacks. A brick in your toilet tank or a low-flow shower head can reduce your water bill significantly. Every drop counts. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more awesome content. And hey, which of these tips are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments.